BYD is dethroning Volkswagen as China's best-selling car brand.
BYD, the Chinese automaker, has been making waves in the electric vehicle market lately.
Fully electric car from China, looking to shake up the EV market.
BYD, the Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer, is the only company Tesla sees as competition.
It's no secret that the electric car revolution is upon us. In recent years, much of the focus has been on Tesla, but BYD, a Chinese company, has emerged to challenge them for supremacy. Taking a different approach to both design and production, BYD electric cars are proving they have what it takes to compete in today's ever-changing marketplace. But will their innovativeness be enough to take out Tesla? Let's take a look at the performance of both companies to find out more. BYD stands for Build Your Dreams. Founded in 1995, this company has become a leader in technology and innovation. With 30 industrial parks around the world, BYD is making an impact on industries such as electronics, automobiles, new energy, and rail transit. The electric revolution BYD has brought to the world is nothing short of sensational. The company is dedicated to providing zero-emission energy solutions, creating a greener and more sustainable future. This revolutionary approach to energy has seen BYD's market capitalization exceed RMB 100 billion, making it a leader in the industry. So what did they do differently to become such a huge success? BYD has taken an innovative approach to design and production that sets them apart from the competition. The innovation brought in by BYD is what no other company has achieved in this current era. BYD is the first automaker to have the full expertise and intellectual property for electric vehicles, including batteries, electric motors, and electronic controls. BYD's visionary approach has put them on the path to becoming the world leader in power batteries, with an output capacity of 28 gigawatt-hours per year in 2018. BYD's approach to production has been just as revolutionary. It boasts some of the industry's most advanced technology and sophisticated manufacturing processes. The company is making headlines in the auto industry, positioning itself to be a global leader in electric vehicle production. BYD is not simply talking about revolutionizing the EV industry, they are already doing it. The Chinese EV maker is aiming to double its overall sales volume for all types of autos this year and become the #1 EV producer in the world. Wang Chuanfu, chairman of BYD, recently declared their goal to reach 3 million units this year. After saying this, he further expressed the company's ambition to hit 3.6 million units, including exports, a number that would satisfy even the most ambitious goals in auto production. In March of 2022, BYD announced that they had ceased production of conventional gasoline engine autos and were now focusing their energies entirely on electric and hybrid vehicles. With this new commitment, BYD has positioned itself to be a real threat to Tesla's reign as the king of electric vehicles. BYD has set its sights on matching or even surpassing Tesla's expected sales volume of 1.8 million vehicles in 2023 by aiming to sell 1.75 million passenger EVs in the same year. But these expectations have not been met in this first quarter. Statistics for the first quarter show that BYD sold just 260,000 electric vehicles. These numbers still do make it one of the biggest producers of electric cars in the world. But how did it compare to Tesla? The answer is not that well. Tesla sold 420,000 electric cars in the same period, making it the clear leader in the electric car market. Tesla achieved this by slashing its prices in multiple markets. But this defeat doesn't mean that BYD is going to stop pushing forward. With its ambitions to prove itself as a formidable rival in the electric vehicle market, BYD is adding more equipment and personnel to its production process, giving it enough capacity to meet the sales target of 3.6 million vehicles. Not just that, the company is also focusing on achieving lower production and procurement costs by leveraging economies of scale. In 2023, BYD will be leading the charge for sustainable electric transportation with its revolutionary EV and battery production. The Chinese auto giant has already established plants in Thailand and is expected to announce plans for another production facility in Asia outside of China very soon. It has also announced plans to construct a manufacturing facility in Brazil, as well as its first plant in Europe. Although these are future plans, BYD already has a strong foothold in the EV market in 2023. This year, BYD has taken a different approach than most manufacturers, by resisting the China price war and actually raising prices on certain models. However, in late February and early March, the company surprised many by offering discounts on various various models, while also introducing newer models with lower entry prices. On April 10th, BYD made a sensational and revolutionary announcement: the unveiling of their U9 supercar. It is a vehicle capable of jumping and operating with just 3 wheels. This revolutionary new suspension system will first appear in the upcoming Denza N7. BYD's expansion is further pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle technology. In late 2022, the company expanded its reach to several European countries. It has also started deliveries in Germany, Japan, and Mexico. The company has plans for yet another personalized premium brand in 2023, likely starting with a pickup. This brand is expected to price higher than Denza, but lower than Yangwang. In terms of earnings, Tesla's revenue in the first quarter grew 24%, slightly missing expectations, while their gross margin tumbled to 19.1%. Free cash flow was also significantly lower than expected. Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, has stated that he will be prioritizing higher production over margins, which could lead to further price cuts. On the other hand, BYD reported a 411% net profit growth, though their gross margin was 17.9%, down from 19%. BYD is also investing heavily in R&D. So, is BYD's sensational electric revolution a threat to Tesla? Well, we can't ignore the fact that BYD has become pretty successful. One reason is that the company has access to one of the world's largest markets, China, with its huge population. While Tesla has always been a premium brand, BYD used to focus on more budget-friendly options. It was this strategy that allowed it to sell more vehicles than Elon Musk's Giant. But that's not all. BYD is now setting its sights on taking on Tesla in the luxury sector, with plans to offer high-end cars to consumers. If this works out, it could lead to a major change in the electric car market as BYD's profits increase exponentially. So, in terms of electric vehicles, BYD is the upstart to Tesla's pioneering success story. However, the battery electric vehicle title is within reach for BYD, and the gap between it and Tesla's premium prices is closing. BYD, in many ways, is the EV maker Tesla has been aspiring to be. Not only does it make its own batteries and chips, but it also sells them to third parties, including, of course, Tesla itself. Tesla has made attempts to join the price war with its own $25,000 EV models. However, BYD has already been making EVs profitable at the same price point for some time. With Tesla no longer production constrained, it seems that its focus is shifting to price cuts and incentives in order to stay competitive. This raises the questions about the possibility of the optimistic goal of 20 million EVs sold in 2030. Similarly, skepticism continues to mount over Tesla's self-driving capabilities. BYD has been making impressive moves worldwide, with many more planned in the coming months. Its model lineup has been consistently growing, and it is now even making moves into more upscale products. Tesla, on the other hand, is set to launch its Cybertruck pickup in 2023, which is its first new passenger model in over 3 years. The stocks of both companies have suffered in 2022, with Tesla having an especially bad year. However, Tesla enjoyed a surge in 2023 only to fall back down, whereas BYD stock is up for the year and currently trading close to buy points. After all of the discussion and current stats, Tesla and BYD are delivering many more EVs than their competitors. But Tesla's profits have been faltering recently. BYD's earnings are going up compared to last year. In the battle between two EV giants, it remains to be seen who will come out on top. Let me know in the comments section, what do you think about the electric revolution between Tesla and BYD? Who do you think will win? Will Tesla really fail as predicted, or will it continue to dominate the electric car market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.